All right, so I'd like to welcome everybody to the July 28th meeting of the Planning Commission. And so I think we could start with our call to order. Present.
Bauer.
Here.
Alonso.
Here.
Hooper.
Here.
Marzo. Potter.
Here.
McDonald.
Here.
Okay, so we've got everyone present except for Commissioner Marzo. At this time, I'd like to open the floor to general comment from the public. At this point in the meeting, the public is invited to make comments for items of public interest that are within the Commission's subject matter of jurisdiction and that are not listed on today's agenda. And each commenter will be given 3 minutes that they can use up to that amount of time. And so hearing nobody or seeing no raised hands for public comment, I think we can move forward to our committee comment. And so we'll have comments from different representatives of committees, starting with our council liaison, Councilmember McDonald, please.
Excuse me, Chair, before we continue, I'm not seeing any attendees at all, which is a little unusual. I wonder if we can quickly double check to make sure folks can access.
Yeah, it looks like Paul McGavin just emailed us a few minutes before the meeting saying that the link was not working.
Okay, so maybe we'll take a 5-minute recess while we figure out the technical difficulties.
Yes, please.
Thank you, Chair.
We'll resume at 7. Let's just resume at 7:10.
Okay.
Okay, we'll troubleshoot it. Yeah, I just got a text too from the applicant.
Okay, I'll try to figure out why the link isn't working.